Welcome to the Plague Doctor channel. Today I'm going to be building a dummy load based on this design, and I'm going to put it in this little enclosure here, except I'm going to be using 100 watt 8 ohm resistors instead of two 4 ohm resistors. So let's empty this out and get started. Okay, so let's modify this display. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is desolder this pin right here and pull this capacitor off the board so that I can hook this leg to 120 volts. Put a nice hook on it. So I pulled this pin off the board right here and put a nice little hook on it so I can attach one end of my power cord here and the other end of my power cord here. Next thing we need to do is put a hole here so I can route my power cord through there. That ought to do. Remember to put heat shrink tubing on before you solder stuff, especially when there's only one way on. I'm going to tin the very tip of this first to make it easier to thread through the loop. Plug that into the variac and see if it works. skipped ahead here because my camera died, and this is the final product. I'm just going to do a walkthrough of how everything works. For the switch here, we've got 4, 8, and 16 ohms. I ended up replacing the 2-prong cord with a 3-prong cord so I could ground the chassis so I don't get shocked if anything were to go wrong. How this works is I plug my amplifier in here. The signal goes through the jack into the meter. The signal comes through a white wire into the switch, and in 4 ohm mode it goes through both resistors and back to the switch. So the 2 8 ohms are in parallel and make 4 ohms. In 8 ohm mode it comes through the white wire into the switch and goes through 1 8 ohm resistor and out. In 16 ohm mode it comes through the white wire into the switch, goes through this resistor, then this resistor, so 2 8 ohms in series makes 16 ohms, and out through the black wire. Here you can see we have 4 ohms, 8 ohms, 16 ohms, and it even works when we plug it in. So let's hook it up to an amp and see if it works. Here I have my Marshall DSL-15H. Let's see how the dummy load works. Turn on the variac. Let's turn it up to halfway. It looks like this 15 watt amp can push out quite a bit more than 15 watts. Let's see how it works on triode mode. On triode mode it looks like it can push out almost 10 watts. Let's see how the gain channel does. And let's put it back in full power mode. Let's try 8 ohms. Turn the function generator on. Let's try the red channel. Let's try triode mode. So that was my version of how to build a dummy load that's switchable between 4, 8, and 16 ohms. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching.